Good morning, ninth class. Today our topic is number 2, measuring the rate of motion. Yesterday we have already discussed about motion. Now the next is about the rate of motion. So measuring the rate of motion. In this section we have the first term is speed. Rate of motion is the speed. Speed we have the distance traveled by the object in unit time is called speed. SI unit is meter per second. Meter is denoted by m, second is denoted by s, and per is denoted by slash. So SI unit is meter per second, standard unit. And then we have the formula. Speed is represented by v, distance is represented by small s, and time is represented by t. And one more thing which you must keep in your mind, that means rate means anytime, rate means upon time. Rate of motion is that one. Then next is average speed. Average speed means here total distance upon total time taken. The formula written there, the below one, total distance traveled upon total time taken. Average speed SI unit is also meter per second. Then next we have related numerical. Just this example is from your textbook 8.1. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds. So your first work is to underline this 16 meter. Meter means distance and second represents time. And then another is 16 meters. So again it is representing distance. And 2 seconds. Second is the unit of time. So 2 seconds is for time. What is the average speed of the object? Here our question is to find out average speed. As you are already aware, average speed means total distance upon total time taken. So total distance means 16 meter and 16 meter. So total is 32 meter. And then time is 4 seconds and 2 seconds. So total timing is 6 seconds. So when you divide this 32 by 6, you will get the answer 5.33 meter per second. Next is speed with direction. Where you are counting is speed with direction, that means you are describing velocity. Velocity is speed of an object moving in a definite direction. Means when you have speed with direction, it is known as velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. When the velocity is changing with uniform rate, then you can calculate average velocity as initial and final velocity, their sum, and then this whole term is divided by 2. Average velocity is denoted by this v and av. Av stands for average and this v stands for velocity. Initial velocity by u and final velocity by v, and this time it is divided by 2. Everything is written here. SI unit of velocity is same as that of speed, meter per second, represented as m/s. Then one thing is about initial velocity. Suppose the object is present here and it reaches after some time here. So this the velocity of object at the starting point is known as initial velocity, and velocity at the final point is known as final velocity. Then with this related numerical is from example 8.2 of your textbook, odometer. Odometer means which measures a distance. So odometer of a car reads this 2000 kilometer. At a start trip is this one. So earlier reading is this one, and after that it is 2400 kilometer end. If the tip took 8 hours, so here we have 3 numbers. Kilometer means it is representing distance, it is also representing distance, and hour is the representation of time. So here calculate the average speed. Average speed means average speed is the total distance upon time taken. So total distance is 2400 minus 2000. So 400 kilometer, time is 8 hours, kilometer upon hour. So here you will get answer in kilometer per hour, and then convert this term into meter per second. So you will get answer 13.9 meter per second. Thank you.